Hello dear students, today we are going to learn about the definite article da. The definite article da is the most used word in English. Da is used to refer to a specific or particular noun, singular or plural. For example, let's read a book. In this sentence, we are referring to a specific book. I saw the elephant at the zoo. In this sentence, I am referring a specific noun, in this case, the elephant. We can also use da when there is only one. For example, the Pope is visiting Thailand. There is only one Pope. The moon is very bright tonight. Our planet only has one moon. We also use da when we talk about musical instruments. For example, he plays the piano well, with adjective to refer about a whole of people. For example, the French enjoy cheese, with decades. For example, he was born in the 70s, with directions or cardinal points. For example, the house on the left, the south of France, with the names of famous buildings, works of arts, museums, or monuments. For example, I would like to visit the Eiffel Tower, before the names of rivers, group of islands, seas, oceans, geographical areas, deserts, forests, gulf, and peninsulas, or point on the globe or mountain range. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Andes, the North Pole, the Sahara. But watch out, we don't use da before names of most countries. For example, Italy, Peru, Spain. Names of cities, towns, or states. For example, London, Miami. Names of streets. Washington Boulevard. Names of lakes and bays. For example, Titicaca Lake. Names of mountains. Fuji Mountain. Names of continents. For example, Asia, Europe, etc. Names of islands. Maui Islands. With names of meals. For example, I like to eat breakfast early. With people's names. For example, John is coming over later. With professions. Engineering, it's a well-paid career. With the names of languages. For example, English uses many words of Latin origin. With years, he was born in 1995. With sports, she plays tennis. With most names of stations or airports. For example, Victoria Station is in the center of London. With uncountable nouns. For example, rice is an important food in Asia. How we pronounce article da? We pronounce article da as d in front of words that start with vowel sound. For example, the apple, the evening, the eye. We pronounce the article da as da in front of words that start with a consonant sound. For example, the car, the cat, the sword. In this opportunity, we are going to learn about geographic areas vocabulary. So let's start. Cliff is an area of rock which has a general angle defined by the vertical or nearly vertical. Cliffs are common on coasts. Mountain, a natural elevation of the Earth's surface rising more or less abruptly to a summit. Iceberg, a huge mass of ocean floating ice which has broken off a glacier or ice shelf. Desert, any large, extremely dry area of land with sparse vegetation. Coral reef is an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. Volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. Lake, a large body of water surrounded by land. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. Waterfall, a cascade of water falling from a height formed when a river or a stream flows over a precipice or a steep incline. River, a large natural stream of water flowing in a channel to the sea, a lake, or another such stream. Valley, a low area of land between hills or mountains, typically with a river or a stream flowing through it. Jungle, an area of land overgrown with dense forests and tangled vegetation, typically in the tropics. Well, dear students, don't forget to check your notes, your book, and your videos, and continue practicing English. See you!